Unveiling the Mystery, a Smokescreen, explained. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of idiomatic expressions to unpack the meaning behind a smokescreen. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these phrases can add flair to your English communication. So, let's get started. A smokescreen is a metaphor derived from a military tactic where smoke is used to hide one's movements or location. In everyday English, the phrase refers to an action or statement used to conceal actual plans or intentions. It's often used in contexts where someone might be trying to distract attention away from a controversial issue or hide their true actions. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life situations. In politics, a politician might introduce a minor policy change as a smokescreen to divert attention from a more significant, less popular reform. In business, a company might announce a rebranding effort as a smokescreen to draw attention away from its financial troubles. Understanding the context in which a smokescreen is used can help you grasp the subtlety of its meaning. Now, let's practice using the phrase. The celebrity's outrageous fashion choices were merely a smokescreen for her upcoming album release. He used technical jargon as a smokescreen to confuse the committee about the project's real costs. Using idiomatic expressions like a smokescreen correctly can help you sound more fluent and natural in English. That's all on a smokescreen. We hope this video has cleared the air on this interesting English phrase. Remember, language learning is a journey, and you're doing great by expanding your vocabulary with us. Catch you in the next video, and keep practicing.